Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in to your Remitly account on your PC, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to remitly.com. At the top right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Then enter your password in the password field. Alternatively, you can log in directly using your Google or Apple account by clicking their respective buttons. If you have any password problems, click Forgot Password to reset it via email. Click Log In to access your account. Once logged in, you can start sending money, adding payment methods, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.